Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, I want to ask about your family.
Okay, I want to ask about your family.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Rafli Ardiansah.
Do you have any brother?
Do you have any brother?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
How many brothers do you have?
How many brother do you have?
I have 3 brothers.
I have 3 brothers.
Who they are?
Who they are?
My brother's name is Rian Reza.
My brother's name is Ryan Reza Rifki.
Okay. Do you have any sister?
Okay, do you have any sister?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
How many sisters do you have?
How many sister do you have?
I have 1 sister.
I have 1 sister.
Okay. What is her name?
Okay, what is her name?
Her name is Cara.
Her name is Rara.
Okay. How old is she?
How old is she?
She is 9. 9 years old. 9 years old.
She is 9 years old.
What is your mother's name?
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Sri.
My mother's name is Sri Mulyadi.
How old is he?
How old is she?
He is 50 years old.
She is 40 years old.
Okay. What is your mother's job?
Okay, what is your mother's job?
My mother's job is housewife.
My mother's job is housewife.
Okay. What is your father's name?
Okay, what is your father's name?
My father's name is Yama.
My father's name is Mr. Jama.
How old is he?
How old is he?
He is 55 years old.
He is 55 years old.
What is your father's job?
What is your father's job?
My father's job is
My father's job is business.
okay. How many person at your home?
Okay, how many person are at your home?
There are about 7 persons.
There are about 7 persons.
Who they are?
Who they are?
They are me, my sister, my brother, my father, and my mother.
They are me, my sister, my brothers, my fathers, and my mother.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much.